Today we are
Take two.
Today we are doing the most satisfying thing a man can do, which means unboxing his new toy. This is my new preamp, Rotel RC-1572 Mark II, which means the second version of this model. I chose this one for its alleged clean sound and unbalanced architecture. I said alleged because I haven't heard it before. I just watched several reviews, read a lot of good things about it online, and decided to buy it online when I saw it on sale for around 600 US dollars. I think it's a very good price compared to its regular price of around, I guess, $1,200. And it also looked really nice online. So let's see what's inside and if it really meets my expectations. We'll go through what's in the box as usual in the unboxing, and we'll have a look at the device itself, the connections, etc. One interesting thing I noticed on the box when it arrived is that in Europe, where I live, the importer of Rotel products, Rotel is of course a Japanese company, is Bowers and Wilkins. It says here on the label that you can't see, but it says that the EU importer is Bowers and Wilkins from the Netherlands. So let's cut it open, and let's not cut ourselves open. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, inside what we have here, okay, stickers. We have sort of manual, visual manual, so very Japanese style, almost like a comic book, how to connect different devices to it. Pretty useful. Okay, a box, probably. Okay, a nice remote control. I'm gonna open it. Batteries included, so nice touch. You won't have to go run to a store to look for batteries. A remote full of buttons, probably a universal remote for many Rotel products. Let's put it here. What else do we have? Cables, power cable, an American plug. Okay. Oh, okay, got it. We have two different power cables. This is an EU plug. So this probably is not American, but UK plug. We have USB cable. We have an RCA cable. And we have a network cable, a LAN connection for the LAN connection. Okay. So let's take this beast out. Okay, here it is. Let's try not to break things. Okay, so nicely packed foam bumpers. I also have my coffee. Greetings to Randy, the cheap audio man. Okay, let's take the unit out of this bag and let's try not to drop it. It is quite heavy, I must say. Okay, so there is another bag inside. So we have a USB stick, probably with software, or it will be used for software updates. We have we have a rune code because this unit is rune tested. So I've never used rune before. I know. I heard good things about it. So maybe with this one, I'll give rune a try. It offers 60-day complimentary rune subscription with this code. So I'm not going to show it to you. I'm going to use it myself. Safety instructions. I changed the camera angle a bit so we can have a closer look at the unit itself.
Obviously, Captain.
We'll take those tapes out first to uncover those chromed corners. Frankly speaking, I'm not a big fan of things like chrome or piano black in your cars, but it looks nice, I guess. So this is how the unit looks from the front. It's a full-size unit. Nice aluminum or metal cover. I chose the silver version. There is also the black version. All my other gear is black, so I don't know why I chose the silver one, but I thought it would look cool. It has the power button here. It's not plugged into the power outlet, so it won't turn on right now, but it has a power outlet here, a USB input here for your music. It also has the headphones amp inside. This is the infrared receiver from your remote display, and the buttons here to change your inputs, and here the buttons for the menu and a knob for changing the volume, but also for, I guess, selecting the menus options in the menu. Strange, it's plastic and it doesn't feel as sturdy as the rest of the unit. Okay. And now we'll have a look at the back, because I guess this is the most exciting part of this unit. So what's on the back?
On the back,
On the back, from your right, my left, we have a power inlet. This is the Bluetooth antenna. It's aptX and other codecs. I don't use Bluetooth very often, so I'm not really sure if it's any good or not. This funny RC-232 thing looks like you can connect printer, but it's a service port. Here we have a USB type A connection to power, for example, your external DAC or a streamer. This could be useful if you, for example, want to add a streamer like Win Mini. You can power it from this USB output, and you're good to go. Then we have trigger outs, 2 trigger outs. So, for example, if you connect 2 monoblocks amplifiers that have trigger ins, they will power up when you power this unit up as well. So it's nice. Then we have, what else do we have here? Okay, so the next one is external remote. So if you hide it somewhere in your closet where your remote does not operate, you can add an external infrared repeater and operate the unit nonetheless. And then you have Rotel, some proprietary Rotel links in and out, so probably to connect it with other Rotel units. And below here, no, here, oh, below here you have the LAN connection, but it doesn't have a streamer inside, network streamer inside. So this is purely for, I believe, software updates. Then you have USB, the classic printer type USB connection, but as I showed you, the cable is included in the set, so no worries. Then you have 4 optical connections for your digital inputs. Then you have balanced inputs and XLR connections. Then you have balanced outputs, XLR as well. Then there you have unbalanced outputs. So this is where you connect your external amplifier, of course. And then you have 2 2 sub connections, subwoofer connections. So you can add 2 subwoofers, which is nice for a stereo system because you can add 2 separate subwoofers for both sides. Those are mono sub out connections, so there is no division between left and right channel signal for subwoofers, but this is not a problem since low frequencies cannot be easily detected by your ear or by my ear as well when it comes to the direction. But low frequencies are omnidirectional, so it doesn't make that much of a difference for your subwoofers. And then you have 4 line ins, one of which is the phono input, because this unit also includes the phono stage or a turntable preamp, which is moving magnet preamp, and I'm gonna test it as well. And this is ground connection for your turntable, unless you have a Riga turntable like I do, where grounding is allegedly included in the RCA connection, so there is no separate wire for grounding. I wanted to get a balanced preamp because I have 2 Fuzzy Audio ZA3 amps that I run in as monoblocks, so balanced preamp to manage those 2 amplifiers is the ideal solution. Of course, this is a strange match since those 2 amps combined together were something around $300 combined, and this one on sale was $600. So the preamp is, sorry for the helicopter sound, but I live next to the president's mansion in Warsaw, so he quite often takes his chopper for a spin.
Get to the chopper!
Anyway, back to the unit. Yeah, as I was saying, on sale it was twice as expensive as those two amps together, but I think those amps are just the beginning of my journey into monoblock amplifiers, so I will have plenty of situations to put this thing to a real test. One other thing that is interesting is that it also includes a DAC. It's I don't remember which chip is it. It's of course a Delta Sigma DAC. Texas Instrument something. I'll put the information on the screen when I look it up in the manual. It supports MQA unfolding, so you can use it for tidal and get the maximum resolution. I hope we'll see. And I'm also curious about this room thing, as I'm new to this. So I guess that's it when it comes to unboxing this unit. I'm really pleased how it looks and how it feels. Now I'm curious how it sounds. So subscribe to this channel and perhaps give this video a thumbs up if you want to follow me up on the journey with this preamp and testing it with different types of gear that I will be connecting it to see how it performs and whether it is really that transparent and robust as others say. So thank you for today and hopefully see you in the next video. Enjoy your day or evening or weekend whenever you are watching this. Bye.